I'm going to sew the dart now. This is the back one. This is the back one. So this dart, I'll hold it like this and go and sew it. I'll do the same on this side because I notch it. I'll mark half inch, and from here 9 inches. I'll hold it and sew it. I will also do the same on the. This is the front one. This is the front one. So this dart here, I will not sew it again. I will discard this dart. This dart, I will discard it. I'm not going to sew it because I have that here. I notched it. I have another one here. So I don't need this one. So now, okay, this is the way it is. This is the front one. So this is the dart here. I'll mark half inch from shoulder 12 inches. Then I'll hold it and sew it. Then or from shoulder to your bust point, then you go down 1 inch from your bust point from shoulder. So you will now half inch and sew it, and do the same on this side also. I'll do it and show you. So I've sewn the dart. So this is the dart. I'll go and iron it. This is the back one. Please make sure you mark your back, the wrong side of your fabric, so that you know where you will sew your dart. So this is the wrong side. I sew my dart on it. So this is the one part of the front one. I sew the dart also. Just like this. And this one is like this. So I also sew the dart. So I'll put it like this now. This is the right side facing me. And then this one, this is the right side facing each other. So I'll put it like this. I'll do the same on this side. This is the dart. Yeah, this is the right side and this is the right side. I'll put it like this also. So I'll go and join the shoulder. After joining it, I will now use bias to finish the neckline. So this is my belt. I'll fold it like this and use half inch to sew it from here to this point here. This one will be open because I'll turn the belt to bring it out. I'll do the same on this one. So if I'll do it and show you. But if you like, you can slant your own. So this belt, I've joined it from like this. I've sewn it. After that, like this one, I've turned this one out and iron. So this is what I'll do. I'll use these scissors. That's what I have done. I'll put it like this. I can touch the scissors now, so I'll remove the scissors. So I'll do it like this. So I'll go and iron it like this one. I'll iron it and show you. Okay, I've ironed the belt. So this is the top, the upper part of it. So I'm going to shape the side. So this side is the right side when you're wearing the dress. This will be on your right side. So I have 1 inch seam allowance to sew it all the way to the end. But I'll leave space here because of the belt. Because the belt that I'll fix on this side will come out from this side. So from this edge to here is 2.5 inches. This half inch is my seam allowance to join it to the skirt, to join it to the lower part. Then the 2 inches here, this 2 inches is the 2 inches for belt because my belt is 2 inches. So the 2 inches belt will pass through this side. So I will now sew here half inch. I will now stitch here, sew this place and lock the stitch. Then I will leave this open here. From up here, I will sew to this point. So I'll do it and show you, because after sewing it I will also keep it like this and sew it. So I'll do it and show you. So on this side, on this left side, when you're wearing it, you just use 1 inseam allowance that we have here to sew it to waistline, to join it to waistline. So I'll do it and show you. And this is the belt. This belt, I was supposed to fix this belt here when I was doing the sewing the bias, the neckline, but I forgot. But it's still okay, I'll just attach it there. So I'll go and do this one and show you. So this is lower part of it. This is my waistline, the waist. This is where I will attach to the upper part of it. And this one, I want to go and fold this one, but I don't like this. I'll just cut this off, or I'll double fold this side. I'll fold it like this. But if you like, you can just fold your own like this. So I'll go and do it and show you. I'll fold this one. I'll also fold the other, this one also. So this is the upper part. I've joined it together. So this is the side I have open for belt. So what I'll do now is to open it like this. I only to open like this and stitch on this side and also on this side. So this, it will be like this for the belt. The open will be like this for the belt. So after doing that, I'll now join it to the lower part of it. This is the lower part of it. I've stitched the two sides. I've hemmed the two sides. So I'll put it like this. This is the right side of the fabric, and this one is the right side of the fabric. I'll put it together like this. Right side, right side, right side. I'll put it like this. So I'll use 1/2 inch to join them together from here, because this waistline, the upper part, the waistline is 50 inches, and the lower one, the skirt, the lower one, is 50 inches also, because I added some inches to my waist when I was cutting it because of the overlap. So I'll put them like this, right side facing each other. So I'll hold it. I'll use 1/2 inch from here to join it to the end here, to the end here. So I'll do it and show you. So I've joined the upper part to the lower part. So this is it. It's a dress now. So you will hem the lower part of it. After that, you can fix sleeve of your choice. I'll fix basic sleeve to my own. Then here, you remember belt, our belt. You will fix the small one on the right side. When you're wearing it the right side, you fix the small one on the right side. You fix the small one on the right side here. See the waistline. See the line that will sew. You put it like this so that it will be okay. That's the space where we want to fix it. You fix it here. Then this one, you fix the long one on the left side of yours. On the left side when you're wearing it. This long one will be here. The long one will be on this side, and the small one will be on this side. This is the neckline. So you fix the long one on this side. The open, where you have the open. See the waistline. So you put the hem like this. You fix your zip, your belt here, so that it will match the space that will left for it on the other side. So you fix it here. You fix it here. This is waistline. This is waistline. You put your belt like this and you sew it. I was supposed to fix this belt before, but it's still okay. So you fix it. I'll go and do it and show you. Okay, this is the dress. I've finished the dress. I've fixed this sleeve. This is basic sleeve. I've fixed the sleeve, and I've attached the belt also. This is the belt, and this is the belt. And I also hem the lower part of it. I overlock. After overlocking, I now hem it. So This is the long belt. The long belt is on this side. This belt is 40 inches. This one is on this side because it will go in here. So, but this one is the small one. Is the small belt, the short belt, and this one is about 29 inches. So, but the belt is up to you. It depends on how long you want it. So, I'll show you the pictures now. So, but if you want to make it blouse top, you will just, the upper part, you will just cut your peplum and add to the upper part. Like if I want to make it blouse, I will not add up to 38 inches. I will just add like 8 inches peplum to it to make it 25 inches, because my blouse is 25 inches. Then, but if you want to make it a knee length dress, you will not need to add the extra one that I added before. You will not need to add this one. You will not need to join this one if you want to make it a knee length. So try your own, you will like it. It's really, really nice. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Give this video a thumb up, please. These are the pictures. Please like, share and subscribe. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumb up. Thank you.